Yesterday, the children were playing happily in the field. They were laughing and jumping cheerfully. Jamal and Kiran were shouting loudly. Banu was standing quietly beside the field. Suddenly, Jamal fell down. Then Rina called the children angrily. Everybody stopped shouting and listened to Rina attentively. Read the text and answer the questions in one word. How were the children playing? How were they jumping? How were Jamal and Kiran shouting? How was Banu standing? How did Rina call everyone? How did everybody listen to Rina? Happily. Cheerfully. Loudly. Quietly. Angrily. Attentively. Happily. Cheerfully. Loudly. Quietly. Angrily. Attentively. Playing. Happily. Jumping. Cheerfully. Shouting. Loudly. Standing. Quietly. Calling. Angrily. Listen. Attentively. These words describe how an action happens. These words are called adverbs. Here, the adverbs describe the verbs. Pick a suitable adverb and complete the sentence. The singer is singing happily. Radia writes neatly. The boy speaks loudly. The children crossed the busy road safely. The boy has hidden behind the chair nervously. John is a slow person. Slow is an adjective. He walks slowly. Slowly is an adverb. Slow, which is an adjective, plus ly equals to slowly, which is an adverb. Pooja is swift. Swift is an adjective. She works swiftly. Swiftly is an adverb. Swift, which is an adjective, plus ly equals to swiftly, which is an adverb. Ly at the end of a word is a good clue that it is an adverb. Many adverbs are made by adding ly to the end of adjectives. Make adverbs from the following adjectives. Click on the adjectives. Happy, happily. Peaceful, peacefully. Nervous, nervously. Angry, angrily. Hungry, hungrily. Careful, carefully. Slow, slowly. Tired, tiredly. Proud, proudly. Remember, certain words change when they become adverbs. If an adjective ends with a y, we need to change the y to an I before adding ly. Happily. Angrily.